P4 Gg and this is my mom.
Hello friends, hi Quincy. So what are you making today?
Today I'm going to show you how to make Isabel character from Aquabit, Animal Crossing, New Horizons, and by the way, this is the set. If you know Animal Crossing New Horizons, it is a life simulation game developed by Nintendo. Friends, do you know about Isabel? This is Isabel. Isabel is a fictional character from the Animal Crossing series. She is a kindly Shih Tzu dog. She is friendly, polite, hardworking, and eager to help. Meanwhile, aquabits are water stick beads that does not require ironing or stitching. We just need plenty of water to make the desired work of art. Aquabits are fun and safe for the entire family. Mom, can you show the bead tray? This is the bead tray and this is the Isabel template sheet. Now we can start making the art. Wait, I also wear the Animal Crossing series shirt. And this is Isabel. Mom is also wearing it too. But character is Tom Nook.
Okay.
Now let's start making it.
What should we do first?
First, let's add the yellow color first.
Which color?
The yellow color.
To make the face?
To make the face, the base of the face.
How many do we need?
I'm not sure because I hadn't counted yet.
Okay.
So, when you use the pen, it's more easier than using my hand.
So you need to refill the pan with the color you want, and then you try to stick it on the sheet.
Yes.
It looks complicated for me. How about you?
Not for me.
Okay.
If you use the pen, it's more easier than using my hand.
So you need to refill the pan with the color you want, and then you try to stick it on the sheet.
Yes.
Okay. You need lots of yellow. So what do you like most about this bag?
She is very cute. And she's so friendly.
What did she do in the game?
She will tell me about my island rules, like what star is my island, like 5-star or 4 stars. It's quite fun to play the game.
Is she your friendly dog?
It's very friendly.
How is it going, Quincy?
So far, so good, Mom.
I can see it's almost done, right?
You're correct. It's almost done.
So, what should we do next?
We'll just spray some plenty of water. And wait for 20 minutes later. Then it will be solid enough to use the big pillar. This is the big pillar. Do you like it, friends? Mom, do you like it too?
I love it.
If you like it, you can do it by yourself. It's easy and fun. And I love to see your creation too. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy and like it. Don't forget to like my video and share it